Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on OGN. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that after the breakout from a down channel on the daily time frame chart, on a smaller time frame, OGN formed another up channel on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was my last video, by the way. And now if you take a look at the live chart, this is a 4-hour time frame chart, by the way. Then here you can see that the price line is still moving inside this up channel and nicely forming higher highs and higher lows like we had rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, and now it is again about to hit the support of the channel. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then this was the down channels breakout that I was showing you in my previous video. You can see that after the breakout, the price had moved here sideways and geared up and broke out this resistance. And now it is trying to break out the next resistance of 16 cents. By the way, the previous resistance was here at 11 cents. That can now work as support. For the past several weeks, it was working at a very, very strong resistance. And now we need to break out the next resistance of 16 cents. And on a weekly time frame chart, we will also take a look at this huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for OGN that I shared a few days ago on 21st of November 2024 with my members. And this signal has produced almost 78% very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for OGN that I shared on 21st of November 2024 with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that OGN was completing with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that as predicted, the price then dropped more down, completed the final leg, entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very, very powerful reversal. And so far, it has pumped almost 78%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of OGN, and first of all, let me to show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days since after 12th of November 2024, it is moving inside this channel. You can see that we had rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce. Nicely, it is forming higher highs and higher lows. And now after the formation of another higher than previous high, it is about to form another higher low by testing the support of the channel. This time, if the price end will move more down to test the support of the channel, then it can test the support somewhere here, approximately at 15 cents. And then if we will have another bounce, then it can hit the resistance of the channel somewhere here between 19.3 cents to 20 cents. And by the way, at 20 cents, we have another quite long-term resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 20 cents has been previously working as a point of rejection here in the month of May 2024. Before that, we got rejected here in the month of September 2023. And before that, here it was also working as support as well in the month of July 2022. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of OGN. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this down channel, that is here at 28 cents. And over there, we have another quite long-term resistance. By the way, this 28 cents has been previously breaking as a resistance here. Before that, has been breaking as a support here as well. And on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $3.30 to $3.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.